Will robots replace human workers soon? Today, I'm diving deep into the future of work as I challenge myself to uncover the truth. Are robots really taking over our jobs? Automation is no longer a distant concept, it's happening right now across industries. From assembly lines to customer service, robots and AI are rapidly integrating into our daily work lives. But here's the big question, are we heading toward a world where machines do everything better and faster than us? The fear of job displacement. Let's be honest, the idea of being replaced by a machine is unsettling. It's natural to wonder, will my job still exist in 10 years? Will my kids have opportunities when they grow up? Are we ready for a future where robots dominate the workforce? We've seen this happen before. Every technological revolution replaces certain jobs but also creates new ones. The real concern is whether automation will displace workers faster than new opportunities are created, where robots are already taking over. Let's take a look at industries that are already seeing massive automation. Manufacturing, robots assemble products with precision and speed, reducing the need for human workers. Warehousing and logistics, in many facilities, robots handle inventory, move heavy loads, and fulfill orders with incredible efficiency. Customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are replacing human representatives, handling inquiries 24/7 without fatigue. Healthcare, AI-driven robots assist in surgeries, analyze medical data, and even provide patient care. But what happens when something goes wrong? Who's accountable if a machine makes a mistake? The benefits of automation are clear: higher efficiency, lower costs, and improved accuracy. But what about the people being replaced? Where do they go next? A future of human and machine collaboration. Despite the fears, many experts believe robots won't replace us completely, they'll work alongside us. According to a study by the McKinsey Global Institute, automation will displace some jobs but also create entirely new roles, like AI specialists and robotics engineers, data analysts and automation consultants, human-centered roles in creativity, empathy, and problem-solving, AI ethics and policy specialists, virtual reality and augmented reality experience designers. Robots are best suited for repetitive, dangerous, or precision-based tasks, while humans excel at creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. That means the future of work isn't human versus machine, it's human and machine. The key takeaway. So, will robots replace us? Not entirely. But they will change the way we work. The key is adapting, learning new skills, and preparing for an AI-driven future. Those who embrace this shift will thrive, while those who resist may struggle to keep up. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think robots will replace human workers, or will we find a way to work together? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Want to know what jobs will be in demand in the next decade? Stick around, our next video dives deep into the careers of the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI, automation, and the future of work. See you in the next video.